Hello friends, welcome to my video. My name is Satya Malik and you are watching my YouTube channel. So friends, as in our previous video, we have discussed and learned about simple present tense. So now we are moving forward in our next series and part of tense, that would be present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. This is our second part of our tense video. Now, here is present continuous tense. Now, let's begin. As the word present means, it refers to the present time. Example, I am teaching you. So, it means that I am teaching. I am teaching and work is going on. So, continuous means the work is going on. The work is in progress. It haven't stopped. And tense means which we are learning now. It indicates action. It indicates time of any action. Now, let's see all the structure and sentence formation pattern. First, it will be positive one and the simplest one, that is affirmative. So, let's see the structure. First, there would be subject. Now, subject, as I have told that subjects are is, am, are, not is, am, are. They are I, we, you, they, he, she, it, etc. First person, second person, whereas third person. And now, helping verb will be is slash are and am. Is, are, am. Now, these are the helping verbs of present continuous tense, and these helping verbs change according to we move forward in tense. Like in past continuous tense, there would not be is, am, are. There would be some other helping verb, and in future continuous, there would be more other. Now, this is helping verb we have put is, am, are. Now, we will put the form of the verb. That would be fourth form. Or if we are not learning this, that fourth form, so we can also write it as ing form. Now, why we have to write ing form? Because it means that when a word like eat, it is in simplest form and the lowest form. So if we have to convert it into fourth form of the verb, so we have to just put this ing and bring it here. It would be now eating. As the word eating means the work is going on. I am eating. It means the eating of the eating is going on. It hasn't stopped. So now this is the form, and the last would become object. Object we will write obj in short form. And now I will make a sentence of present continuous tense affirmative. So a sentence would be, now its sentences are very simple. Like subject plus is, am, are, is, are, am plus fourth form, where is ing form plus object. So the sentence would be that he is eating his food. He is eating his food. Now we have a question, that why is come in he word, in he subject. So I will explain it. That first helping verb is he, she, is, first is his, then are, then am. These are the three helping verbs. So is will come in he, she, and it. He, she, it. Now, which person are they? So they are third person singular. Now it is clear that is coming for singular person, because he is third person which is singular. Third person singular. And are is coming for every plural. So what are plural? They are you, and you is both. We can use you for singular, whereas plural both. And we and they also. These three, like you are eating, you are playing, you are doing this work, etc. etc. And what are they? They are second person, and we, and they are third person. And these both persons are singular. It is you. Second person is singular and plural both, and third person is only plural because singular we have used for he, she, it. Now, where would am come for? So, it is very clear that am will come for only I. It means first person. And as you is second person, singular and plural both, so I would be singular and plural both. They could be I am doing this work, I am playing, I am studying, etc. etc. And now you can note this in your copy, etc. And this present continuous tense, it is very easy because we in maximum sentence, in maximum English sentence, we use the word which have at last ing because the maximum work is going on. It has not stopped or it has not stopped and going on. Now I, first person singular, plural both. And now I will revise them once again. Is would be used for singular, he, she, it. Are will use for plural, and am is for I, only and only I, because we are talking about ourselves, and am is first person. So now this would be the helping verb chart. And friends, it is a trick for learning these tenses. You should take up some sentences and you should try to know them, that which type of tenses are they, which type of tenses are they made up of. So now we will see about negative. And now we will see the negative sentences of present continuous tense. Now negative are very easy. We have to put just or not. First there would be subject, and then there would be helping verbs, which is, are, and am. Plus there would be a word which is most commonly and everywhere used in negative, that is not. Subject plus is, are, am plus not, and then there would be fourth form of the verb, that is ing form, plus fourth form of the verb slash ing form. It means that we can write it as ing form also, which is very easy, and we can write it as fourth form also. But fourth form is writing so difficult, but not so. And then there would be last object. And as I have told you that object is not very necessary. If we have no object, so we can't use it. But in present continuous, object is necessary. Like he is playing. What he is playing? He is playing football. So object is necessary. Now object. Now we will read and discuss about interrogative. And interrogative is simple and easier like negative one. So what would come? We would write is, am, are at the front. Like in negative sentences, there would be he is not playing football. I am not going to market. They are not studying well for their test. And in the interrogative, we are asking a question. So at the last, we will put a question mark, and at front we will put is, am, is, are, am. Now let's put first is RM plus there would be subject now. Subject, and then there would be no not because it is used only and only in negative one. Now in interrogative, except of not, there would be question mark. Not, then fourth form slash ing form, and then object plus object and then question mark. So now let us make sentences of these three. First, I will make some sentences of interrogative. Now the example will be, is he playing football? Question mark. We are asking a question here, that is he playing football? क्या वह फुटबॉल खेल रहा है? And are they studying? क्या वह पढ़ रहे हैं? क्या वह लोग पढ़ रहे हैं? And am I going to market? Am I going to market or am I going to Nainital, etc. etc. It means that क्या मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ? क्या मैं नैनीताल जा रहा हूँ? This is the Hindi form. Now let's see affirmative, negative and interrogative once again. So in affirmative, as we know, it is a simple one. So it would be subject and then helping verb is RM. The helping verb is RM, and fourth form, that is ing form. And ing form is very commonly used in continuous. Ing form is used only and only in continuous. Like here is continuous, so we would use ing form. Like in present continuous, here is ing form. So in past continuous, we will also use ing form, whereas in future continuous, there also we will use ing form only. And this helping verb will change according to we are going in front. So like here is MR in present continuous. So in past continuous, there would be other helping verb, and in present continuous there would be other. So subject plus MR plus fourth form and object. And then in negative one, here is a word not, which is used in negative. Subject plus MR is RM plus not plus fourth form is ing form plus object. And at last interrogative. In interrogative, we will use is RM at front, then subject, then fourth form, it means ing form plus object, and then question mark. So friends, this was all about our present continuous tense. Now in my next video, I will discuss about present perfect tense and present continuous tense also. So friends, if you have any query or any doubt regarding these sentences which I have told you till now, so you can write it in comment section and I will definitely reply your answer. So friends, thanks for watching my video. If you like it, press the like button, press subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.